Hey, what's up everybody? It's Your Name from Black Pearl, and this is your one-stop guide to protecting your Royal Enfield Classic 350's paint like a pro. We all know the struggle is real when it comes to keeping our bikes looking pristine, right? Dust, scratches, bird droppings, they can all take a toll on that beautiful finish. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about paint protection, from the best ceramic coatings and PPFs to DIY tricks and must-have products. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just got your hands on a brand new Classic 350, this video will give you the knowledge and tools to keep that paint shining for years to come. Let's get started. Alright, so let's talk about the heavy hitters in paint protection: ceramic coatings and PPF, or paint protection film. Now, ceramic coatings are like a super thin layer of glass that bonds to your bike's paint, creating a barrier against scratches, UV rays, and even chemical stains. They're like that invisible force field you wish you had back in school. Some popular options for the Classic 350 are: insert brand name and a brief explanation of 3 to 4 popular ceramic coatings focusing on durability and shine. Now, on the other hand, we have PPF, which is a thermoplastic polyurethane film. Sounds fancy, right? It's basically a clear, durable film that you apply directly to your bike's paint. Think of it like a screen protector for your phone, but for your bike. PPF is awesome because it provides a physical barrier against scratches, rock chips, and even minor dents. Some top contenders for the Classic 350 are: insert brand name and a brief explanation of 3 to 4 PPF brands, highlighting their self-healing properties and thickness. Both ceramic coatings and PPF offer excellent protection, but the best choice for you really depends on your budget and the level of protection you're looking for. So you've decided to protect your Classic 350's paint. Awesome. But now comes the big question: DIY or go pro? Let's break it down. DIY is definitely tempting, right? You can save some money, learn a new skill, and have the satisfaction of doing it yourself. Plus, there are some great DIY ceramic coating kits and PPF kits available online that are specifically designed for motorcycles. However, and this is a big however, applying these products correctly takes time, patience, and a bit of practice. If you're not careful, you could end up with streaks, bubbles, or uneven coverage. And that's not the look we're going for, right? On the other hand, professional detailers have the experience, tools, and expertise to apply ceramic coatings and PPF flawlessly. They can also prep your bike's paint properly, which is crucial for a long-lasting finish. Of course, this comes at a price, and professional paint protection can get a bit pricey. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your budget, your confidence level, and how much time you're willing to invest. Chapter 3. Okay, let's get real for a second. Even with the best paint protection in the world, scratches can still happen, but don't worry. There are some secret tips and tricks you can use to minimize the risk and keep your Classic 350 looking sharp. First up, parking. Avoid parking under trees if you can. Bird droppings and sap are like acid rain for your bike's paint. Also, try to park away from other vehicles in crowded areas. Door dings and careless drivers are your worst enemy. Next, let's talk about washing. Never, and I mean never, use a dry cloth or a dirty sponge on your bike's paint. Always use a dedicated car wash soap and a microfiber wash mitt. And when you're drying, use a clean, dry microfiber towel to gently blot the water away. Now here's a little secret weapon: quick detailers. These are spray-on, wipe-off products that are perfect for removing light dust, fingerprints, and water spots between washes. Keep a bottle in your saddlebag and use it regularly to maintain that just detailed shine. And finally, remember that prevention is key. Regularly inspecting your bike's paint for any signs of damage and addressing them early on can save you a lot of headaches and expensive repairs down the road. Chapter 4. Alright, let's talk about some must-have products that will help you keep your Classic 350 shining like new for years to come. First up, a good car wash soap. Remember, never use dish soap or household cleaners on your bike's paint. They can strip away the protective waxes and sealants, leaving your paint vulnerable to damage. Next, invest in a high-quality microfiber wash mitt and drying towel. Microfiber is super soft and absorbent, so it won't scratch your bike's delicate paint. Trust me, your paint will thank you for it. Now, if you want to take your shine to the next level, consider using a spray wax or sealant after every wash. These products add an extra layer of protection and gloss, making your bike look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. And finally, don't forget about the details. A soft bristled detailing brush is perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach areas like around the engine and the spokes. And remember, taking care of your bike's paint is an ongoing process. But with the right products and a little bit of effort, you can keep your classic 350 looking its best for years to come. So there you have it, guys, your complete guide to protecting your Royal Enfield Classic 350's paint and keeping it looking as awesome as the day you got it. Remember, a little bit of care and attention goes a long way in preserving your bike's beauty and value. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to paint protection tips and products? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow riders. Until next time, keep those bikes shiny and those rides safe. Like, share and comment if you love your Royal Enfield. Subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated. Follow us for more bike care hacks.